Today I'll talk about constant concept in C++. Sorry to say C. In last video I talked about what is data types concept in C programming. Okay, what is the use of the data type in C programming? I talked about data types in previous video. Well, today I will talk about what is constant concept in C++. C. Because constant is a fixed value that can't be changed during the execution of the program. What is meaning of that statement? Because whenever the value is assigned to the constant variable, that value can't be changed then during the execution of the program. Whatever the value is initialized initially and after execution of the program also, the value should be remain same. For example, here the a value is 10, constant value. When your program is executed, after execution of the program, then a value is also becomes what? 10 only. Because initially what is the value before the execution of the program? The a value becomes 10. Whenever after execution, what is the value of a? A value remains same. That value can't be changed during the execution of a program. That concept is called as what? Constant. Hope it is clear. Then C provides some constants. C language provides, I think, 5 types of the constant. One is integer constant, floating point constant, then what is called character constant, then string constant, then boolean constant. Some books can wrote only first 4 types of the constants. Okay, boolean is also called as a constant. Then what about the integer constant, then floating constant, then character constant, the string constant and boolean constant. Whatever the integers, suppose for example here 5, 10, suppose 1, 2, 3, then 456, 7, 8. Here these are called as the integer constant which will accept only integers. Okay, here this type of constants are called as what? Integer constant. You know that it does not have the fraction part. Integer constant does not have the fraction part. That is called as what? Integer constant. Whenever the number is having the fractional part, that is called as what? Suppose 10.2, then 15.6, and then 124.56, then 71.2. Okay, this type of numbers are called as the what? Floating point constant. Then the integer numbers with fraction part, that is called as the floating point constants. Then what about the character constant? Suppose here the character constant must be enclosed in a single quote. Like what? Here it must be enclosed in a single quote. That kind of constants is called as what? Character constants. Whenever the character is enclosed within the single quote, that is belongs to the character constant. Hope it is clear. Then what about the string constant? The string constant must be enclosed in the within the double quotes. Welcome. then hollow, then what? Good. Here, the sequence of characters should be enclosed within the string, means the sequence of characters is called as a string. Here, the string sequence of characters should be enclosed within the double quotes. That concept is called as what? String constant. Here, all these are the example of what? String constant. Then Boolean constant is what? True or false. Okay, actually true is represented what? True or false. Here true is represented by what? 0, sorry to say 1. The false is represented by what? 0. 0 or 1, which are belongs to the what? Boolean constant. These are called, they are example of the integer constant, they are example of the floating point constant, they are the example of the character constants. These are the example of the string constant. They are the example of what? Boolean constant. Hope it is clear. Here the next, how the constant should be declared in a C programming. How it can't be changed during the execution of the program, we will see. Okay, hope it is clear. Then C provides two ways to declare a constant. First one is constant keyword using, suppose, define statement, then using constant keyword, SONST. Because here there are two ways to declare the constants in C. First, using the define statement by using the what? Constant is a keyword, CONST. By using these two, we can able to declare the constants in C programming. Then what is the syntax for it? Okay, syntax for the define statement is #define. #define is a preprocessor directive. Then variable name, then constant value. It is a syntax for define statements. #define is a preprocessor directive. There is no space between the hash and define, it is only one bar. There is space variable name, then constant value. This is a syntax for the what? Define statement. By using that statement, we can able to declare the constants in C. Okay, as for the syntax, I will write the example #define, then sales 10. Here, sorry to say, there is no semicolon at the end of define statement. Then #define, then variable name is called as sales. Then what is called? Then it is a constant value. You don't put a semicolon at the end of the statement. Then what is the use of the define statement? Here in the define statement, we couldn't use any data type over here. Okay. Then if you are assigned the integer value, which will be treated as an integer. If you are assigned the floating point, which will be treated as a floating point data type. If you are assigned the character, for example, I will write different define a 2.5, then #define, therefore for example B It is called integer constant, floating point constant. It is called as what? Character constant. Okay, they are used to this define statement used to declare the constant. For example, as defined, in such cases only we have to use this constant. As defined pi 3.14 because pi value is what? 3 point value. That value can't be changed. Okay, if you want to find the area of a circle, 5r square, at that time 5 value is required. Then 5 value can be declared as a what? Defined constant. Okay, that value can't be changed. If you try to modify the value of the constant, then simply it will display the error by the compiler. There is no doubt at all. Okay, because the constant is value is fixed, it can't be changed during the execution of the program. This example is called as what? Defined constant. For example, constant keyword. By using the constant keyword also we can able to declare the constants in C. How it is possible? Then just I write the syntax. Constant data type, then variable name, equal to what? Constant value, initialization or constant value. Okay, I will write initialization, then followed by semicolon. Here, by using the constant, we see CONST is called. It is what? It is a keyword. Then data type, then variable name, then equal initialization. But in the constant keyword declaration, we should use the word data type. But in case of defined constant, we didn't use any data type over here. But whenever you use the constant keyword to declare the constants in C, we must use the data type. As for the syntax, just I will write some example. What are the example? Okay, I will write the example here. What is the example is here? Constant data type, suppose int, suppose a value is what? 5. Here we should use the semicolon. But in case of defined constant, we didn't use any semicolon. But in case of constant keyword, we should use the semicolon. Okay. Then another one is constant, suppose float, then sales equal 20.5. For example, constant character C equal, for example, M. Okay, this is the way you have to declare the constants in C. Either as per your application, you can use either define statement or else by using the constant keyword, we are able to declare the constant. Here this value is fixed. Even after execution of the eval becomes 5, then sales equal to 20.5, then variable C equal to M. Even after execution of the program also, the values remains same. The values can't be changed during the execution of the program. That concept is called as what? Constants. Okay, then I will write the example for constants. Yeah, example is the white made, then what? For example, I generally want to declare the defined constant outside the, because as include I will write the entire the program stdio.h. You know that hash include standard input output header file which is required to support input and output functions. Here the hash defined, then PI 3.14. Here I didn't use any data, but don't put a semicolon. You don't put a semicolon at the end of the statement for the defined statement. Then what generally the defined statement can be used before the main function, the constant, because the constant by using the, whenever you declare the constant by using the constant keyword, we should use within the function. Void main, or else you can write integer also. There is no doubt, either you can use int or void. Here constant, then int, then a value becomes 10. Here suppose if a equal to a into 2, then pi equal to pi into what? 2. Suppose printf what is called area of a circle equal percentage d. Suppose if you want float percentage here, you can able to use. Then what? Here pi r square means pi. What is called? Suppose for example it is a r value. R into R. Hope it is clear. Here the pi 3.14 is a constant value. The constant into R because the pi value is what? 3.14. What is the R value becomes? 10. Both are constants. Here the a equal to a multiplied with 2. What is the a value is what? Sir, R value. What is the R value here? 10. Okay. What is the 10 into 2? 20. 20 will be stored again where? Here. Because in this statement we are trying to modify the value. Because previous R value is constant, it is a 10. Here R equal to R into 2. The R value what is what? R value is 10 to 20. Again the 20 is assigned to the variable R. Because we are trying to modify the R value. R is a constant value. Here the error will be displayed by what? Compiler. Okay. Just wait a second. Here the error because here also error will be displayed. What is the error will be displayed by the compiler? It is a constant value. That value can't be changed during the execution of the program. Here also, then pi equal to pi into 2. What is the pi value here? 3.14. Here 3.14 into 2. 2 3 is about 6 point something. Okay, again the values will be assigned to the variable pi. Pi is also what? Constant value. Here also error will be displayed. Because here if you try to modify the constant value in a program, because simply the compiler will display the error because it is a constant that those values can't be changed during the execution of the program. Simply you can remove the statements. Then what? Then I written one statement over here. The area of circle equal percentile f. Then pi into r into r. What is the p values here? I didn't change the constant. What is the p value? 3.14. What is the r value? Is 10. Then 10. Then area of circle equal to what? Area of output is some value should be displayed. 300 into 3. Suppose 300 something will be displayed. Okay. Here this is the concept is called as constants in C programming. Okay. Whenever you developing the application, okay, if you don't want to change the values of a particular variable, then that variable can be declared as a constant. Okay, you can declare it by using the define statement or else by using the constant keyword. That concept is called as what? Constants concept in C programming. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt regarding this concept, please post your query in the comment box window. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.